Hold it. Sour cream. Is your sour cream?
Yeah.
How much melted milk? Okay? Then, sprinkle. Keep it here. Sprinkle. Red and yellow. Give me some chili flakes here. No, no chili flakes. Okay? Chili flakes. Done. Okay?
Copy, chef.
You don't need to put here the burrito. You need bulky and small. So once you cut it, see like that, not sandwich. Okay?
Yes, chef.
Clear?
Yes, chef.